Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. Our second chapter and the topic what we are going to learn today is articles. To begin with, let us see what is an article. An article is a word that comes before a noun. So, a word which comes before a noun that is called an article. But what word? Now there are two kinds of articles, definite article and indefinite article. Definite means sure, indefinite means not sure. In English, there is just one definite article, that is the. You just have one definite article, the, and there are two indefinite articles, a and an. So our articles are a and the, in which one is definite and two are indefinite articles. So, at first, let us look at the uses of a and an. A. The article a means one. So, when you use a, the noun has to be singular. The noun has to be one. If it's only one, you can use a. You cannot use a with plural nouns. It is used before a singular countable noun starting with a consonant. What are consonant? Consonants are the other letters other than A, E, I, O, U. So it is used before singular, which we said the noun has to be singular. The noun has to be countable. You should be able to count the nouns. Then only you can use A with it. And it has to be a consonant. For example, a bat, a dog, it can be anything. A house, house is singular, it is also countable. The third point is it is used before words that begin with E or U and has the sound U. So usually with vowels we don't use A, but here there is a unique thing, a special case where words beginning with E or U, you can use A and the sound of E or U should be U, the sound of Y. The sound of E or U should be the sound of Y. Look at the example. A university, a uniform, a union, a European city. So, all these are words beginning with U or E and having the sound Y, U. Fourth point is it is used when we talk about a noun for the first time. Now when you're talking about a noun for the first time, you use the word a. Example, do you have a spare pencil? So you're asking for a spare pencil. You're not pointing out to the spare pencil. You're asking for any spare pencil. In that case, you use a. Now let us go and see the uses of an. The article an means one. So here also the article an means one, singular. It has to be one. It is used before a singular countable noun starting with a vowel. Now here the noun has to be singular, it has to be countable and it has to start with a vowel. So look at the example, an apple, an onion. So apple and onion, A and O are vowels. So before vowels, before singular countable vowels, you use an. Our third point is it is used before words that begin with a silent H. Now in words where H is silent, you don't speak the letter H. You don't have the sound H at the beginning. In those words you use an. For example, an hour, an heir, an honest man, an honor. You will not say an hour, an hair, an honest man or an honor. Instead of that, H is silent over here. You start with the vowel sound. In this case, we use an. Our fourth point is it is used when we talk about a noun for the first time. Same like the A point. An is also same. When you use a noun for the first time, you use an. Example, do you have an umbrella? So umbrella is singular, countable, and it is starting with a vowel. It is used for the first time, so we use an along with it. Now let us go to the uses of the. Our first point is when we use a or an, we mean any noun. Just like I said before, for any noun, you can use a or an according to the vowel and consonant. Example, eat a banana. Now, when I say eat a banana, it can be any banana. It can be on the table, it can be in your bag, it can be in the shop. You can buy and eat it. You can eat any banana. But when we use the, we mean a particular noun. But when we use the, we mean a special thing or which we are pointing out. Example, eat the banana on the table. Now, when I say eat the banana on the table, I'm pointing out to a banana. You have to eat the same banana which I am asking you to eat, not any banana. So, when you are mentioning a particular noun or you are mentioning a special noun, you are pointing out to a noun, there you will use the. Our second point is we use a or an when we speak of the noun for the first time. We saw this point in the earlier slide. When we speak about a noun for the first time, we use a or an according to the vowel or consonant. Example, I saw a policeman. So, you were just walking and you saw a policeman. It can be any policeman. Okay. When the noun is used again, we use the. So now you want to say about the same policeman again, you will use the. For example, the policeman wanted to meet my father. So here you are mentioning about the policeman which you saw. I saw a policeman. The policeman whom you saw before wanted to meet my father. So when you're mentioning or when you're speaking about the noun for the second time, you will use the. Now, in the earlier slide, I said when we use a noun for the second time, you will use the. But here I'm telling when we use a particular noun for the first time also, we use the. Now, when you're pointing to something for the first time, you're talking about a special noun which is in front of you, there also you will use the. It's not only for the second time. Second time can be used if you're talking about any noun for the first time and you're talking about the same noun for the second time. But here, when you're talking about a particular noun, a special noun, even for the first time, we use the. For example, the box with the books is lying there. So the box with the books is actually lying there. Here you have the box in front of you, you have the books in front of you. So you're pointing out to the box and to the books. So which is there and you're seeing it. So there you will use the. We also use the in the following things. First one is rivers. The Ganga, sea, the Red Sea, ocean, the Pacific Ocean, gulfs, the Gulf of Mexico, bays, the Bay of Bengal, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, holy books, the Bible, newspapers, The Hindu, trains, the Shatabdi, aeroplanes, the Gulf Air, ships, the Titanic, countries, the USA, the UK, the UAE, group of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, people of a nationality, the Indian, the French, nouns which are one of a kind, the sun, the moon, the earth, indicating a class of a kind. The dog is a faithful animal. Here, you're not talking about one dog, you're talking about the whole collective, the whole class of a dog. It can be any kind of a dog. So, any dog in any class can be a faithful animal. So, the dog. Directions: the north, the south, the east, the west. Ordinals: the first, the second, the third, the fourth. Before superlatives: the sweetest, the tallest, the smallest, the biggest, words ending with est. Phrases like the last, the only, the next. So before all these words, we use the. We don't use the in the following cases: with proper nouns, with uncountable nouns, with abstract qualities. You know what is proper noun? For example, this is Hari. You will not say this is the Hari. No, this is Hari. Second one, with uncountable nouns, nouns which you cannot count. Example, my house is made of wood. You will not say my house is made of the wood. That is wrong. Then with abstract qualities matlab means the qualities which you cannot see, which only you can feel. Example, I love my family. You will not say I the love my family. That is wrong. But if it is made particular, we use the. Means if it is made special, you're pointing out to the person or you're telling about the person whom you know very well, then you will use the. For example, the Hari I know has changed. So you're talking to somebody else and you're telling that this is Hari, and the Hari I know has changed. So in that case you used the. The second one is the wood is made of teak. So you were telling my house is made of wood. It can be any wood. So now which wood you are talking about? In that case it is made special. So the wood is made of teak, the wood. Third one, the love I have for my mom is special. So the love. Here it is abstract quality only, but you are making it particular. You're making it special. The love I have for my family is special. So when it is made particular or special, we use the. Otherwise, we don't use the with proper nouns, uncountable nouns, or abstract qualities. That is the end of chapter 2, articles. I hope you all understood. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.